Alright, so just gonna remove the valve covers now. They're a quarter, I guess. If you don't have one of these, doesn't matter what brand, get one. It's so much easier. All the bolts are different sizes here. Now it looks like it's a half. Let's see here. Okay, it's a size 11 here. Random. Let's see. So I've taken these valve covers off before. We could just reuse the same gasket, I can't remember. Maybe not, maybe this is a new gasket. This might be a new gasket. Anyway, so it's pretty clean in here. I'll get you guys up closer right now. Okay, so oh, you know what? I think I got new rockers too. I think I just did this one side. Rockers, and they came with the bridges, and then the rocker arms. Rocker arms? No. I'm drawing a blank. Anyways, you know what they're called. Pushrods. So, yeah, and I remember I ran it to make sure that they were all spinning, and they all were spinning. But yeah, it looks. I mean, it looks pretty good in here. Other than that, everything looks pretty clean. I think that's just from when I took off the valve cover right now. But so I'm gonna go ahead and take off these rocker arms, these bolts here. I'm gonna keep them numbered. So this is the let's see, that's the front. So that's 1. So this is 2, 4, 6, and 8 over here. So I'm gonna keep them numbered, and I'm gonna put them in a Ziploc bag labeled with the direction, like the way they're facing and stuff. Okay, so these are a half here. So I'm just gonna take these out, and then I'm gonna get a magnet and put the and take the lifters out, and I'll take a peek at those. And then, but I'm gonna do this, and then I'm just gonna do the other side. I'm not gonna record it, and yeah. So these just unscrew like that, and they're torqued to 19 foot-pounds if I remember correctly. Anyways, you want to try to keep them, I guess this doesn't really matter, but the inside here, these little things in there, you want to keep them the same. They rock in there. So they just go in there, and then they rock back and forth. That's what allows it to rock back and forth. You can see that. Anyways, you want to keep them with the same thing, and this hasn't really been worn in enough to I think really matter, but I'm gonna do it anyways. And the same thing with these push rods here. Take them out, and you want to make sure that they go with the same. So I know this is the top up here, that's the bottom, and again, this hasn't been used enough to really matter, I think, but I'm just gonna keep it the same anyways. So what I'm gonna do is I have some Ziploc bags, and I'm just gonna kind of lay this down, and I'm going to label top and then bottom there, and then that way I know which one goes where, and I'm going to separate each one. So this is number 2 right side, number 2 left side, number 4 right side, number 4 left side, number 6 right, 6 left, 8 right, 8 left, and so on. For that side it's 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 3, 5, and 7. But anyways, so that's what I'm going to do here. So if you remember on the other side, the rocker arms were like a 2 or 3 piece, I guess. This is just one whole piece, and I just remembered that right now. So it just goes, you know, from there to there. It's one whole piece. So on the other side, the center bridge portion is separate, and then these little rocker deals here, look, they're kind of, I mean, obviously you can tell it's used, and it looks a lot worse in the video. It doesn't look too bad out here. There's the inside. Again, it looks, I feel like it looks worse in the video. I don't know. It looks okay from here, but anyways, I remember they broke on the other side when I was taking them off. That's why I ended up replacing a bunch of the rocker arms, and like the rocker arms just to get new ones, but the bridges, I ended up replacing a few of them because I think 2 or 3 of them broke on the other side. Luckily, none of them broke on this side, but I'm thinking now maybe I'll just get new everything also, but we'll see. I remember them not being too expensive, but that was a couple years ago. Things have gone up, so we'll see. But anyways, one piece. So here's the push rod. That's the bottom of it right there. Oh. Come on, focus. Focus, there we go. That's the top. So it looks actually really good. Really good. They look really straight. But yeah, I'll see how all the rest of them look. If they look funky, then I'll record them. If not, then this is pretty much it. So took that out. Oh, this is what it looks like with all those off, by the way. Right there. So the push rods go in there.